Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Databricks to Delta Lake on S3, full guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will learn how to transfer data from Databricks to Delta Lake on Amazon S3. First, ensure that you have a Databricks workspace set up and that you have access to the necessary libraries. Open your Databricks workspace and create a new notebook. Use the correct language for your notebook, typically Scala or Python. Next, establish a connection to your Amazon S3 bucket. You will need your AWS access key and secret access key for authentication. Set the Spark configuration to include your AWS credentials. Use the following command to configure your Spark session. Python spark.confset fs.s3a.access.key your _access _key spark.confset fs.s3a.secret.key your _secret key. Now, specify the path to your Delta Lake storage on S3. Create a variable to hold the S3 path for your Delta table. For example, use the following format: s3a / your bucket name / your path /. Next, prepare the data you want to transfer from Databricks. You can load your data from a source like a data frame or a table. For demonstration, let's assume you have a data frame named df. Now, write the data frame to the specified S3 path in Delta format. Use the following command to perform the write operation: python df.write.format delta.mode overwrite.save s3a / your bucket name / your path /. This command will transfer the data and create a Delta Lake table in your S3 bucket. After the transfer, you may want to validate that the data has been correctly written. You can read back the Delta Lake table from S3 using the following command: python delta_df equals spark.read.form. Use the command python delta_df.show. Check for any errors during the process to ensure everything has gone. Finally, if necessary, set up your Delta Lake table for batch processing or analytics. By following these steps, you successfully transferred data from Databricks to Delta Lake on Amazon S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.